I start the video, I want you guys to like, subscribe, and press on the bell icon. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make a animation Roblox picture from your Roblox character. First, I'll show you, I don't have Discord, so I'm going to click this link and download this, and I have that file already, so I'm going to photopia.com, then going to my open from computer, and this one and this, and it says loading. You need to wait. This may take a while. You need to wait until it opens. Okay, now this will come like a pop-up message. Now you need to click that eye icon here, click it, and you can see this guy. Then you should not touch effects. Now click on avatar. So first I'm going to accessories one, and you need to click on that green thing. Then it will add an effect like this one. Or if you don't want this glasses, you can press like this, then press like this. And now if you need the glass and the Valkyrie, you need to press the shades again. Now I don't want the Valkyrie, so I'm keeping like this one, and I'm going to hairstyles, then I'm going to spike hairs, then I'm going to take the brown hair. Yes. Now I'm going to accessories too, but I don't want you guys to use this. Faces. Now I'm going to faces. Now I'm clicking this one. I like this face. Then going to the head outline. Yes, here it is here. You don't need to change anything in this one. Body outline. You need to change something in this. Now go to the body outline, then scroll down, then go to body colors and go to shirt color, right click it. You can see a window like this one, and click on rasterize, then click on image, then go to adjustments, hue and saturation. Also you can press Ctrl U to open this one. I need to wait. Yes, now the window will open like this one. Now I'm going to make the hue to this one, and saturation to this, like this 100. Now lightness, I'm going to increase it to like this one. Yes. Now press OK. Now if you don't want this blue color, you can change it like how I did. Now we are going to backgrounds. Now you can make your backgrounds in any color. Okay, now I'm going for this one, and a window will open like this. Go down and right click it and rasterize, then go to image, adjustments, hue and saturation, Then make the hue whatever color you need. And then for minus 180 and saturation, you don't need to press that. Lightness, yes, this one. Okay, I'm resetting and doing like this. Okay, now it's done. So what you need to do to save this file, go to File, Export as JPG. Yes, now it may take time. Now window will open like this, so you need to make the quality 100%. Yes, I don't want this. No, like this one. I don't know what is happening. Yes. No, I don't want this. Yes. So now make like this one and save it. Now wait for it. It takes time to download, and I need to wait. Yes. So now you need to wait for it downloads. Yes. After that, go to Paint 3D. Then go this one and go to menu. Wait. After going to menu, you need to insert. Now window will open like this one. Need to wait. Okay, now go to this PFP template. Now click open. Then it says loading. Yes. Now crop it. Yes. So go to brushes, go to eyedropper and clear out this thing. And now clear it properly. And now minimize this window. Go to this thing, Flamingo YouTube logo. Then you can change whatever nose you need and mouth. Okay, I like this mouth and nose, so I'm gonna right click this and copy image, then going to another thing, another window, then yes. After this, crop it already. Yeah, crop it. Always you need to crop it so it will look nice. So go to the little thing, and it's called eyedropper. Click the air like that and copy that hex. Cancel. Go here. Go here. Now this may take a while. Well, I don't want this hair color, so I'm changing. If you don't need it, if you like that hair color, you don't need to change it. You can just save it. But I don't need this name too, so I need to wait. Like making this one, make an outline so it might be easy to fill. Yes. After doing this, fill it. Now it's half done. Need to make the corners here. Oh no. Control Z. Okay, so you need marker. Make the opacity. You don't need to change this tab. Then go to thickness and make it 7. And make it like this. Or if you don't want to do like this, I'll show you a quick method. Go to Photopia. Then what you need to do is go to the spike hair. Right click this. Color. Make it there's no brown. Okay, so I'm gonna rasterize it. Now image, adjustments, then hue and saturation, and you can make this. Oh, okay. I want it to be on brown color. Okay. Saturation. And make it. Okay, you can do it. So, okay, going out and make right click this color, make it orange. I can't see it. Let me go to rasterize. I can do it. Okay, image, adjustments, hue and saturation, and now I'm going to change it. I want to change hue. Yes, this hair, and make the lightness like whatever hair you need. This one, yeah, this is so cool. I'm making -7. Now this one, -7. Yes, now this looks cool. So click OK, then save it. Then it's done. So if you don't want this text, I'll show you a quick method. So go to body outline, body colors, then go to shirt, then click not this one, okay, go to the text thing now, then click that text. Oh, okay, shirt color, no, text layer is over here. So I'm getting out of this thing, and yes, this one. I'm clicking out the text. Type. Okay, so you can see the text. You can change whatever thing you need for. If you don't need the text, click this eye icon. If you need the text, I'll show you. Click on the text one, double click it, and make whatever you need. So I consider you to type it in caps. Then that's all. This one. So I don't want like this one. I can't move it. Okay, after doing it, you can save it, but I don't want the text, so I'm enabling it. Yes. So this is the quick method of changing your hair color. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. And if you need to change that nose and mouth, I'll show you how to do it. So here is Flamingo Albert. Okay, so make his photo like this one, then make a select it and control copy it. Oh god, then make like this one. paste it over, not here, not here. Paste it here. Yes. Make it like this. Yes. After doing this, yes. Control Z and select this mouth, like this. Yes. Then here, grab that mouth. Go to fill. Go to eyedropper and select this color. And yes. Then make this like this. Then paste it and make it come here. And drag it like this. Yes. And make like this. Minus 17. Yes. 17. Yes. Yes, this is cool. So now go to fill again. Fill it. Now, if you don't need the text, as I said, you can delete this. If you want to delete this in Paint 3D, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, first go to eyedropper and select this cyan color, and you don't need to do like this. It's a quick method. Select the text, delete it, and do like this, and make like a border so it can go into this thing. And that's all, guys. It's done. So what you need to do to save it, go to menu, save, and that's all.